Okay, so I'm going to go through everything you learned in lessons 3 and 9, 3 through 9, and kind of give you a express course of everything that should be in your website by the end of lesson 9, because some of you have absolutely nothing written in there and need to be caught up, and some of you just are missing a few pieces. This video is to show you all the pieces I'm expecting to be there. So starting from scratch, if this is where you are, when you go to lesson 9, go to lesson 9, part 9, it's fine, just right in here. You look in here and you're going to see, okay, I have nothing and I've done nothing. So we're going to hide the instructions. We're not looking at those right now. This is just an express, let's just get something on here, because if you don't have anything in lesson 9 here, lesson 11 is just going to be impossible, because you have to add things to this in lesson 11. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is click this button here, Add HTML. Okay, it's going to do new -1 or 2 or whatever number it does. I'm going to change this name to just page 2. And index is my first page. This is page 2. Both are going to look the same right now. Okay, in my body, the first thing I'm going to do is create what I call a nav bar, a navigation bar that allows me to switch between the two pages. So I'm just going to start with H1 actually. This is my first page. So you'll need an H1 tag, and then we're going to put another H1 over here that says this is my second page. Okay, so H1, that's our heading. I'm not going to explain a whole lot of this. I'm just doing it. If you want to actually learn what this stuff means, pay attention in class or use one of the other resources like W3 Schools or Khan Academy to actually learn this stuff. This video is just to boom, rush us right to the end of where we need to be. All right, so above that heading, I'm going to create an anchor tag. Use A, href equals index HTML, and then I'm going to write home and do closing A, and then I'm going to do another anchor tag and do href equals page-2.html and do second page. There we go. Okay, so I have those two links up here. Hopefully I'll be able to separate them at some point, but for the time being, that's fine the way it is. Okay, and I'm going to put the exact same code on page 2. And what this does is it creates a navigation bar at the top that allows me to navigate between the two pages. So this is my first page, this is my second page. All right, so back to my first page. What else do we need? Well, this needs to be about something. So this is about my dog, Pearl. H2, why Pearl is the best dog. That's one subheading. I can do another subheading, what Pearl likes to do. Another one, H2, Pearl's favorite foods. H2, great. All right, and then inside of these, I might write a paragraph for this one. Pearl is the best because she knows how to sit. She listens when I tell her what to do, and she turns in her homework on time. What Pearl likes to do. Let's make an unordered list, UL, LI. Pearl likes to eat treats. She likes to play fetch. She likes to wrestle with other dogs. She likes to play with her cousin Max. Max is my parents' dog. And we're going to end the UL there. So that shows up right here. All this stuff is over here on my list. Pearl's favorite foods. Let's make an ordered list. Do LI. Her number one favorite food is cheese. And then she likes treats. LI. She enjoys carrots. And she likes peanut butter. All right. /LI. The rest of this is all the same. I'm getting an error down here because I haven't closed my OL tag yet. That should go over here. Great. Oh, nope, that needs to be a closing OL. There we go. All right, so that's a good template for our first page. On my page 2 here, I'm going to say these are pictures of Pearl. And now what I'm going to do is using this button up here, I'm going to add images. And when you click on that, it's going to bring up a menu to upload files. It's not going to show you how I upload these files, but I'm going to do that, and then I'll kind of see, you'll see how it connects it. Let's pause. Okay, so I have the images uploaded here. I've hit upload and brought those both in. I exited out here, and both those images are going to generate on the left side of my screen. And I'm going to rename these Pearl-1. It's my dog, Pearl. And Pearl-2. Keep the file type the same. Great. So now I have... okay, so now I have pictures of my dog, Pearl. And I'm just going to throw in some images here. IMG, SRC equals Pearl1. Paragraph, this is a picture I took of Pearl in her Giants jersey. And IMG equals SRC equals Pearl2. P, this is a picture I took of Pearl sleeping. As you can see, that shows up down here. Now this might be a little too big, so I'm going to, well, we're going to CSS later. I don't want to do CSS in this video, but we can control the width from here. And for this one, I'll do width equals 200px. Make them both a little smaller, a little easier to see. And there you have the website over here. And so that is 9 minutes is all it took. And that was 2 minutes of me talking. So really 7 minutes is all it takes. 7 minutes is all it takes to put this together. Now, it might take you longer since you're piecing it together as I'm doing it. That's okay. It's probably going to take you about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. But there's no reason why this can't be done by next week when I regrade these. Also, note, I'm not going to penalize you for regrades when you've done something. But if you did not do the assignment to begin with, and then you want a regrade, the maximum grades you're going to get is like a 2.5, maybe even a 2. Because I can't be giving out full grades for students who just flat don't do the work. That's unfair to the students who do the work. Anyway, end rant. Bye-bye.